Hello, this is Weird Video Blog Type 2, I'll explain in a second. Alright, so there's a couple of things I want to talk about in this video blog thing. I'm not sure if to start with the positive things or not. Let's make nice transitions. Alright, so there's this... Oh wait, let's explain this packet first. I'm on the roof, my house. Maybe you're able to hear wind. The audio is horrible, but the wind feels really nice, and that's all that matters right now. And I can see trees in the distance, and sometimes stars in the sky when it isn't blocked by clouds. But this packet is so perspective. Like, that's my roof that you can hardly see. Yeah. So that's that. I'm using my phone camera to light it up, or else you can hardly see even the roof. So, yeah, alright, let's talk about a game I bought. I'm shivering, and maybe you can hear it in my voice. It's really cold. But I really like this cold wind, even though I'm shivering. I might get sick, but it doesn't matter, I have school anyways. Right, let's keep explaining. Oh yeah, I bought Celeste. Really good game. It's been out for a while, but it's kinda hard. I'm almost done with the game. Like, one day. But I think this might be a game that I'll speedrun, or try to. So this game is really fun. I haven't played a really good platform in a really long time. Last one I remember where I felt like this invigorated was New Super Mario Bros. On the DS. Yeah. I'm shivering, but I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna persevere. Yeah, this is a good drink too. I like this drink. Alright. Further from that, and that game, like, the story is also really good. The main character, like, dealing with depression and panic attacks, and kind of made me like something. Like, it's why, like, that part of you that's always negative and thinks critically is just, like, personified as a real thing. Yeah. So yeah, I want to talk about, like, I don't know if it counts as a panic attack, but it's something weird. When I was little and I would get confronted and I didn't understand my emotions, I would just start to cry. Usually it would be when I was angry, or this was when I was older, like maybe 2 years ago, 3 years. That's when I was angry, so I would cry. Before that, when I was like 7 and stuff and younger, I would just start to cry if I had any strong emotion. It doesn't even matter what it was, even if it was happiness, I guess. Now it's just stress. But I can, like, persevere. Like, if I'm really stressed, I can go home and wait till everyone's gone and make sure no one can hear. You just cry on. But I know it's really hard to get myself to do stuff. Like, when I want to study or go get a book to read for a school project, or to study, it's really hard to get myself to do stuff. No, I don't know, I want to do it, but I just can't get myself to do it. Even when I start, it's just impossible. I don't want to think I'm lazy, because I've done stuff. It's a thing, I'm not just lazy or useless. I want to do it, but there's like this other part of me that just can't do anything and constantly feels tired all the time. Like, I can do anything. I can walk 2 steps and I'll be dead. It's not like physically tired, it's mentally tired, you know what I mean? It's not like when you go running and then you're tired. It's just when you're mentally tired because this kid's been talking to you all day. But, alright, don't take that out of context if my friends listening. Like, alright. You know when you're fed up with something? Yeah, that's the type of tired I feel all the time when I do anything. Like, even when it's just, I'm just a bit ill, I'm done, I just... I had a bunch of topics I want to talk about. The stars are pretty things, volume 2, but you can't see them. Can you see that street light? Yeah, it kind of looks like a star, but they're just street lights. Guys, look at those 2 stars in parallel lines, and they're just wonderful. So that isn't even a street light, that's a reflection of a street light. There's the real one. I really like that street. That street is kind of cool. Wait, You can't even see it. This camera is bad at filming darkness. I don't know what to talk about. Talk about Dungeons and Dragons, yeah, that's really fun to play with friends. Just kind of chatty thing to talk about. Oh, actually, no, that's Plan or Star. That makes they change colours. Planes also have a colour so you can see them at night. You can hear the wind, it's exhilarating. I think I started recording these things so you can talk to myself in public without feeling that weird, or at least it being socially acceptable. Right, this doesn't happen that often. If my friends are wishing this, alright, don't take this out of context, please. Right, sometimes, this doesn't happen often, when I'm alone on the street, I just start talking to myself out loud. It's really embarrassing. Like, I do it for like 3 or 4 seconds, and then I just realize what I'm doing. It's horrible. Usually it's in English too. I think in English most of the time. I don't know why. It's just way nicer. I guess because video game terminology is in English. Like if video game terminology would be in Japanese, and I knew how to speak Japanese, I would probably speak Japanese most likely. But video game terminology is English. Down B. You don't say down B, like how you say Dutch. So yeah, that's why. I just had a top. Oh yeah, I just talked about it. Well, I can see trees and bird nests and the really big ones, but you can't. Just imagine them in your head. Yeah. Yeah, that's that. I think. Should I talk about? Yeah, I just already said why I'm making these. How long is this? 7 minutes. I thought I was talking for 30 seconds. Well, I'll stop now. Bye.